Are you looking to get more followers on your Facebook profile? In this video, I will show you how to add a follow button to your profile so that other users can easily follow and engage with your content. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down, and under Audience and Visibility, you'll see an option called How People Find and Contact You. So go ahead and tap on that. And then tap Who Can Send You Friend Requests. And then, if you have this set to everyone, change it to Friends of Friends. Once you've done that, go back to the Settings and Privacy page and tap where it says Followers and Public Content. So now, at the top, you'll see an option called Who Can Follow Me, so if you have this set to Friends, change it to Public. And now you'll have a follow button visible on your Facebook profile, and anyone can tap on it to follow you, and they'll be able to see all of your public posts. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.